China has done it again. Here you can see 20,000 drones, actually over 20,000 drones being launched in their stacking formation in Hefei in China. And it's quite incredible, it really is. This is apparently rehearsals for an ongoing spring festival which will happen in the city of Hefei in China. And it really is quite incredible. And this is what we're going to talk about today. We're going to talk about the emerging rise of China. And really, can the US keep up with this? I don't think so, but let's get into it. Hi everyone, Stephen from the Flyby guys. Good to see you again, and we're talking about drone shows because it's been a while, and drone shows are very close to my heart because it's what we do. Sometimes, not all the time, but we do sometimes, and when we do, we always do it well. But never in a state like this, never in this volume. But 20,000 drones, over 20,000 drones being launched is quite incredible. And you can see this other clip here. So there's someone standing, which I'm assuming is some kind of influencer or something. You know, I personally would not have someone standing there in the airfield like this. I would not have that at all. But this is China, and what happens in China stays in China, as I always say. But this is just showing the strength of what the Chinese can do when it comes to this technology, and they are so far ahead. And the US is, well, the US and Europe is so far behind because there's no way we can, that we can keep up with this. So is 20,000 more? How many will it be next year? Will we have 30,000, 40,000? It really is quite incredible. In the US, there is a record of about 5,000 drones, which has been done by Sky Elements. They've done that, I think it was last year at, I think it was the Thanksgiving show that they did there. And in Europe, we have 3,000 drones, which is one of the biggest shows that we've had. And that was done by Nova Sky Stories at the Vatican. And that was an incredible show as well. That was actually one of the most impressive shows I've ever seen, given the size and the scale of the event itself, how that was being able to done, was just absolutely, absolutely amazing. Anyway, but what do you think of what has been going on in China? The 20,000 is quite incredible. It just shows that they can do what they want, and they can do it however they want to do it. Will we ever see a 20,000 show in the West? I don't think so for a very long time. I think it will be about 5 or 10 years before we see something like this, because one, we don't have the capability in the space unless we do this in the desert. I mean, you need to be in the middle of nowhere, because the size of the airfield that you would have to have this kind of show would be massive, and you would need to have lots of space, lots of area for the buffer zone to have the show. I mean, which city could host something like this? I mean, you could probably have it in Central Park, maybe, I don't know. You could have it in maybe other parks, but it's not something which you can easily do. In China, things are a bit different, of course, but in the West, we are quite tight when it comes to regulations and space. That is the most important thing. But this is how it is, and really, it's just to see how impressive or just how arrogant, in a sense, that the Chinese can do this, and it looks wonderful. And these shows are absolutely breathtaking. Now, I don't know how many shows fail. I don't know what the safety record of these, because you only see what you are supposed to see, so you never see anything that you shouldn't see. So we're only seeing what is successful. I don't know what happens in between. That in itself would be interesting to see if there was anything like that, because it is China and you don't know what you're going to see. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. It's quite impressive. I was really impressed, and I just wanted to share this with you. Yeah, there's been a lot happening, and I chose to do this one today because I thought it was quite cool. But we'll see you on the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe, please, and we'll see you next time. Fly safe.